Failure is not final, it's powered by resilience. Failure is not the end, it is a part of the journey to success. Many people fear failure as if it were a permanent setback. As Ariana Huffington wisely said, failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of the journey. What this means is this: falling does not define you, mistakes do not define you, your response to failure defines you. Failure is a lesson. It shows you what doesn't work so you can adjust and try again. Even the people you admire have failed countless times. The difference is, they didn't quit, they got back up, learned, and moved forward. Many people stop at failure, but success belongs to those who rise. Stand up, dust yourself off, and keep moving. You haven't truly failed until you stop trying. This year is not about avoiding mistakes. It is about learning from them, growing stronger, and building resilience through every setback. Ask yourself the following: when have I failed in the past? How can I approach it differently and try again? Write it down. Reflect on it. Commit to taking a new step today. Say this with confidence: failure cannot stop me. I will rise again. Drop one lesson you learned from a past failure in the comments. We are here to grow and celebrate with you. Like this video, subscribe, and share for your daily spark. Thank you.